Hello everyone. Today's question is 5 minus 7, in brackets 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 equals negative 2, in brackets 5 minus 7, negative 2. We'll remove the brackets and do the multiplication. Now, negative 2 times negative 2. When you multiply a minus by a minus, it becomes a plus. 2 times 2 equals 4. This is the answer. But this is the wrong answer according to the BODMS rule. According to the BODMS rule, we solve the brackets first. After that, we handle division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction with the same priority. Now, let's rewrite the question. 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7. According to the BODMA rule, we solve the brackets first, so 5 minus 7 equals minus 2 inside the brackets. 5 minus 7, that's minus 2 in the brackets. Remove the brackets and do the multiplication. Now, 5 minus 7 times minus 2. Minus times minus becomes plus. So 5 minus minus becomes plus 7 times 2. That becomes 14. So, if we look here, 5 plus 14 equals 19. Actually, this is definitely the correct answer.